Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Ipsy Glam bag. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I finally got my April Ipsy Glam bag. Now, I used to do Ipsy versus Ipsy when I did 2 glam bags, and then once they got the Ipsy Plus, I upgraded one of them, so now I have Plus and the glam bag. Well, this one should be up, I don't know, I should have like a few months left, so I went ahead and added a bag to my Plus profile, because now they've added it to where you can do both of them on the same account. So for a little while, I will be able to do this versus this again, if that makes sense. Glam bag versus glam bag for a few months until this one runs out. But I wanted to let you know that next month I will have 2 of these to show you 2 different profiles to show you the difference between the 2. But this is my one profile, so let's go ahead and see what is in here for April. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. It's the beginning of the week, so let's see. Ooh, here is, that is really cute. Well, we have this guy hanging out on the edge. So let's go through this. It says firmabeauty.com. So I'm assuming this is it says Firma 103. And it looks like that. And if you follow me, you know I don't really do much with big brushes. So this will definitely go set aside for a future giveaway. But let's go ahead and get in here because in here is the card. And that is what I want to see. So here is the bag for this month. This is very, very cute, especially for springtime. I think this is really adorable. Yellow zipper and the little pull tab says Ipsy. So let's get inside. The inside is a mint green color. That is really cool because then it complements the little green on the outside. Let me get all these products out of here. So again, that is the inside of the bag. So this is really cute. This is probably on my top 3 favorite Ipsy bags. I really like this. That's really cute. Okay, so here is their card, and it says build your dream bag, getting glam bag products you want. Oh, because they now do add the extra products that you can purchase. Now in session, fresh spring beauty. And the first item, that was the Firma Beauty 103 angled contour brush. That was this guy right here. So the rest of the products that I have in here will go from step by step. Here is this guy right here. This is could you see that? It is a buxom. This looks like it would be a mascara, lash mascara, and it is. And I don't do a whole lot with mascara, so I will go ahead and set this in my giveaway pile. So once I get it full enough, this will go to one of you guys. So there is, I don't want to open it because then it starts counting down the time. I'm sure it's a standard wand, that kind of thing. Oh, here's a picture of it so you can see what it looks like right there. And it says Buxom Cosmetics Lash Volumizing Mascara in Blackest Black. Buxom Cosmetics wants you to feel sexier in your skin, starting with mascara that gives you the fluttery, fanned out lashes of your dreams. The volumizing formula creates thick, clump-free lashes, and an hourglass shaped brush grips every lash for volume, length, and lift. So that's cool. Buxom is a really good brand. It's just I normally don't use mascara, so I'd rather this go to somebody who will use it. So I'll set that aside with the brush. Let's see what else we have here, if this goes to me or it goes to you. We actually got this entire palette in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if this is obviously looks like a shadow from that palette, so I will go ahead and put this in a future giveaway because I have the entire palette, which actually I am wearing today. And this looks like a mirrored image of the full-size palette that looks like that, just a baby size. And there is the green. So it's a single shadow from that palette, which is Moods by Laura Sanchez. So if you want to see what this color looks like, you can check out my Ipsy Plus and you'll see my little swatchy swatch that's on there. But there is that. That is so cute that they did the exact same thing for the smaller single shadows. That's awesome. So this right here is a Laura Sanchez Mood Shadow in Martini Olive Green. This Colombian makeup artist was NYX Face 2016 Beauty Blogger of the Year, and her brand is all about bold colors and self-expressions. This creamy olive green with gold shimmer blends easily to set your creative urges free. So I'll go ahead and set this in a future giveaway as well, since I have the entire palette. And next we have Perlisi, I'm not sure how you pronounce that name, Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. Lightweight, oil-free gel cream, refreshes and moisturizes. And I love watermelon, so that is awesome. This says Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. The founder of this brand draws from Asian beauty secrets to develop these gorgeous formulas. This lightweight balm is packed with vitamin A, C, and E to help hydrate, brighten, and regenerate your skin cells, and aloe vera and cucumber to calm and reduce redness. So that is awesome. There's the front, there's the back. And again, I love me some watermelon, so I will definitely try this. So one thing for me so far, the last item in this bag says Coal of Honor Intense Kajal 01 Blackout. So is this an eyeliner, sugar? There's the packaging. It's a different packaging for sure. This right here says Sugar Cosmetics Coal of Honor Intense Kajal and Blackout. Sugar Cosmetics products make you feel pulled together and in an instant, especially when you're on the go. This bold black eyeliner is transfer resistant, smudge proof, waterproof, and highly pigmented. Plus the specialty design twist up tip makes it easy to apply. Oh, if I had it way down here, I'm sorry. So there's that. And I do wear black eyeliner, and I love the NYX retractable one. That's one I use every day. So I am really excited to try this one out. So there is the packaging right there. It says Sugar Blackout. And let's see here. So there is the tip. Let's see what this, it's obviously it's black eyeliner. So it's smudge proof, waterproof. I guess it needs to dry because it definitely, I guess it needs to dry or something. Let's see. Because if it's smudge proof, it should not have done that, right? I mean, I don't touch my eyes once and this is the last step that I do, but how smudge proof is that, you guys? What do you think? Is that smudge proof? So I'd hate to see the waterproof situation, but there is our smudge proof eyeliner. What do you think of that? I say smudge proof is incorrect because that's smudged. All right, so there is that guy right there. So that is everything that came into my Ipsy Glam bag. Ipsy Glam bag, if you don't know, it's $10 a month. You always receive a bag, and it's always different every month. And then you receive, I believe it's five products that go with it. They're mainly sample sizes, but sometimes you do get a full-size product, like if you get a brush or you get a lipstick or a lip gloss or something like that. So going over this month again, we have this really cute, nice bag. We have the Single Shadow from the Moods palette, the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb, which I'm really excited to try that. We have this eyeliner that says it's smudge proof, but didn't really pass the smudge proof test, but I will definitely still use it because again, I don't touch my eyes once I set it. So hopefully it doesn't run. Well, I'll put this to the test. I'll see. Then we have the Buxom mascara in black or very black. Was it very black? Was it very black? Blackest black. And then we have this brush right here. So comment down below, you guys, what did you think? Did you think I got a good bag? If I didn't already have the full palette, I would really like this because it is a really cool green. But I have the full size palette, so I don't need this guy. So these three items right here will go ahead and be put in my stash. So once it gets full enough, I will go ahead and do that giveaway for you guys because I love giving back to you. So if it's something that I know I'm definitely not going to use or sit on my shelf for a while because I'm not comfortable with that product, I definitely want to go ahead and give it back to you to show my appreciation to you guys. And then it gets used by somebody who would want to use it versus just sitting in my collection for maybe I will use it type of thing. So there's that. And I know a lot of you guys love brushes. It's just I don't use foundation or bronzers or contouring or anything like that. So I definitely would not use this brush. So again, I would love for it to go to somebody who will use it. So these 3 items will go ahead and be set aside. And then I will go ahead and use these. And then I have this really cool lemon bag, which I think is really cute. I'm getting a lot of these bags, and then what I would do when I got both, I would always set a bag aside to give to one of you guys. So at least when I'm getting 2 bags, I will do the same thing. The other bag will be set for one of you guys. So yeah, I don't remember when I started my other profile, so how many more months I have on that year, but I know I do have at least quite a few left, at least a few left. Yeah. So definitely comment down below. Let me know, did you like this bag? What were your favorite items? I did screenshot the list of all of the items that would have been a part of this bag this month, based on your profile, what they would have chose for you. So if you want to see what all of the products would have been, then I will go ahead and place that in here. So there you go, you guys. That was all of the different possibilities from all of the different bags for this month. And these were the 5 products that they picked for me based on my profile. This profile, though, I do say pretty much I like anything and everything, just because if it is something I'm not comfortable with, it will go to you. So it's a win-win for me. My Ipsy Plus is set to my real profile. So I have one that's set to me and then one that's anything and everything. So that's how I do my 2 different accounts. But soon this account will run out after a few more months, and then it'll only be both on my other account. And I hear now Ipsy Plus is now open to everybody. That's what I've been hearing and seeing in other videos. So if you guys did want to get Ipsy Plus and you were kind of waiting, you should be able to get it now from what I've been hearing anyway. Don't quote me on that. That's just what I've been hearing. So there you go. So if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will not miss a future video or giveaway that I have on my channel. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Smudge proof out.